the basis of all independence.
Hello, this is Dr. V's Revolution Will Not Be Pesticides.
Oh, don't take me.
Why not?
No.
I'm here with my mom.
Oh, Jesus.
Hey, Mom.
Oh, hi.
And then we're over here, I had my helpers here earlier today, Leah and Glennis. We chopped down a bunch of these trees to create some sunlight in this area here so all the little plants and herbs can get some sun here. And then I decided to, oh yeah, and by the way, here's the trees that we chopped down. There they are. And then I also decided to pick some yams behind me. All right, so we got some yams out now. So here are some of the yams that my mom is going to cook now for us. You know, got a little bit there. Got to clean it off, obviously. But yeah, there's more on the ground there, but my mom said that should be enough for dinner tonight. But yeah, that's it, man. Just doing our thing, living off the land, eating the yams like our Nigerian ancestors used to do and our Ghanaian ancestors used to do from West Africa. That's what we do.
I'm going to use big thyme, basil, and dry oregano.
All right.
And that's what I'm going to steam the fish with
All right.
today.
Thank you, Mom. And then, what? And then, what's that? Egg?
Egg and yam.
All right. So that's what we're gonna do. Yeah. Everything. Yeah, we're out here going straight from the, trying to eat straight from the land. Trying to eat straight from the land today, guys. And my brother Ian came over.
Oh.
Say hello, brother Ian.
Neil? I mean, should I say Neil?
Yeah.
Hello, everyone. All right.
He taught me he was teaching us how to, how do you call it, Ian? To the wood?
Oh, Sho Sugiban.
Shosugiban. Shosugiban.
Natural wood protection.
Natural wood protection. Japanese technique. We just started it here. You take the blowtorch to the wood, turn it all black. We just started it on this one. But we're going to continue with that a little bit later. My son here. How you doing? Good. What are you eating?
Orange.
Oh, it's a calamondine kind of orange. The kids love it. They pick it from the
Sour.
tree over here. It's very sour.
Is it okay if I have one more?
These are the branches that we just knocked down off the. Leah and Glennis came to help from Hope Scholars, Seminole State College.
Is it okay if I have one more?
Yeah, go ahead. I'd rather you eat them than for them to get ruined.
Hi.
So there it is right there. All right.
These are so sour.
And then, see, we knocked down a bunch of these trees over here so we can finally get some sunlight in this whole section. So all my little herbs and my pharmacopoeia here will be able to get its nutrients. Yes. And then here's my daughter and my son's garden bed here where they're growing basil, parsley, and aloe. All right, so that's the stuff that they get there. But that's it, guys. This is Dr. V's Revolution will not ever be pesticides. Peace.
Land is the basis of all independence.